Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom domain to Shopify. Alright, well, first thing that you need to do here is of course log in with your Shopify admin account. Then go to your settings right here at the bottom left. Click on that. Then just locate domains right here. Click, and it's either you want to buy a new domain or connect an existing domain if you have one. But this one is easier right here. Buy a new domain and look for example, I'm going to type in my money, and I'll enter and wait for it to load. And it says here madeformoney.com isn't available. Madeformoney.ph is available, which is $101 a year. So when you click on any of these domains, for example this one for 18 bucks, click on buy. All right, then follow the simple prompts. After that, if you have multiple domains, you may want to set the newly added domain as your primary domain. Just go ahead and click on that and you'll be good to go. And that is it. Hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.